Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change tips on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go, and the second one. Now select the new ear tip size. Let's say that's okay for me. And now attach it. Here we go, and the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!